We all worry at times, and there is probably no way to stop worrying forever. On the other hand, some feelings of worry can be healthy, pushing us to find solutions to real and persistent or present problems. However, chronic worry, even about things that are out of our control, can severely impact our mental health. Once you start worrying, it's easy to get caught up in a cycle of anxiety or ants, automatic negative thoughts, as Jim Quick calls them in his book, The Limitless. The question is, are there some ways to deal with your worries? The answer is yes. There are some specific ways to deal with your worries. Here is a step-by-step method by which you can stop or maybe minimize your worrying. The first step is set up a specific time and place. Set a time and place for worrying. For example, 30 minutes every day. It should be the same time and same place every day. However, avoid doing it right before bedtime. And during the day, if you start worrying about something, make a note of it and put it away to deal with it during your worry time. The second step is make a list of your worries. That is, during your worry time, take out your notes and complete your worry list, if required, Third step is check. Check which thoughts are still bothering you and which are not worth bothering. Cross out those that are not worth bothering. Not worth bothering are the ones that are not in your hands. They are not in your control. You cannot do anything about them. So it's better not to bother. Fourth step is to categorize. Categorize means check if they are work related, family related, financial or health related, etc. The fifth is prioritize. Prioritize means check if they are of immediate concern, short-term, mid-term or long-term concern. Once you are done, stop thinking within your time slot. That is 30 minutes, if that is what you decided. The sixth step is to take action. If you identified any actions, take actions now. Any actions towards solving a problem or towards your goals or plans tends to diminish your worries. One positive action that you can take is doing something you love to do. It is a great way to keep your stress at bay and leave behind your worry habit. Taking positive action not only distracts you from your worries, but it also allows you to expel that extra energy and release your stress. Seventh and the last step is to decide. Even bad decisions may be better than no decisions at all. Nothing crowds and clouds your mind with worry as much as decisions waiting to be made. Make them now, or at least start gathering the information you need to make them. If they prove to be bad decisions, just make new ones. Simple. Now, if you are a chronic worrier, then you might think of doing something more than that. You might think of meditation. Meditating is a great way to relax and to stop worrying. But then what if you don't have the time for more involved meditative exercises or practices? But don't worry, just try this simple exercise. Close your eyes, let the tension out of your body and take several deep breaths through your nose. Inhale and exhale from your mouth. That's it. Want even easier meditation? Try some relaxing music or maybe 5 minutes of guided meditation on your cell phone. Another way to reduce your fears is sharing. Share your fears with your friends and family. Sharing the source of your stress, anxiety, or worry with a family member or a friend can help you maintain the perspective. Many times, our worries are irrational, but they don't seem that way in our own minds. talking with supportive friends or family can offer a new view of the situation and can be an effective way to stop worrying. Last but not the least, exercise. Your physical health is an important buffer against constant worry, as it is harder to break the cycle when you don't feel well or have low energy. At the end of the day, you are the only one who can take the action needed to conquer your anxiety. Worry less and live the life you deserve. If you are ready to learn how to stop worrying once and for all, try these strategies today. And remember, you are not alone. Thanks.